Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share 10 cute and easy hairstyles for short hair that are perfect for school, college, or even everyday wear. So grab your pins and let's get started. 1. This hairstyle is a quick and chic half-up bun perfect for short hair when you're in a rush. Simply pull the top half of your hair into a small loop, secure it with an elastic, and use a flat iron to flip the ends outward for a polished finish. It's an effortless look that takes less than 5 minutes to achieve. 2. This elegant hairstyle features two small, twisted sections pinned back to create a sleek crown effect. Simply divide the top part of your hair into two equal pieces, twist them tightly, and secure each with a stylish clip. It's a perfect way to keep your hair out of your face while maintaining a polished, effortless look. 3. Create a charming braided crown by braiding two side sections of your hair and crossing them at the back of your head. Secure the braids with pins to create a seamless halo effect that keeps your hair neat and elegant. Finish the look with a large pink bow for a soft, feminine touch that is perfect for any stylish occasion. 4. This effortless accent braid is perfect for adding texture to short, wavy hair. Simply braid a small front section toward the back and secure it with a bobby pin tucked under your top layers. It's a quick and stylish way to keep your hair out of your face while maintaining a polished, everyday look. 5. This playful braided pigtail style is a perfect solution for masking oily roots while staying trendy. Simply section the top of your hair into two high ponytails, braid a small strand from each, and wrap it around the base to hide the elastics. It's a quick, cute way to achieve a fresh and polished look even on a busy hair day. 6. To create a dragon braid, pull your hair into small sections with elastics and flip each ponytail through a hole above the band. Repeat this process down the length of your hair and gently tug on the loops for a voluminous, textured finish. 7. To create this elegant look, section the top half of your hair and secure it into a high ponytail while leaving two thin strands free at the front. Twist the ponytail into a neat bun and secure it with a stylish metallic cuff, then use a flat iron to add soft, inward curls to the face-framing strands and the ends of your hair for a polished finish. 8. To create this cute holiday look, start by sectioning the side of your hair into 3 small ponytails using clear elastics. Flip each ponytail through a hole above the band for a twisted effect, then combine the remaining hair into a simple braid for a textured, festive finish. 9. To create this simple hair bun, gather your hair into a low ponytail and pull it only halfway through the final loop of your elastic to form a small bun. Tuck the loose ends into the center and secure the look with a stylish claw clip placed directly over the hair tie to hide it and add a polished, decorative finish. 10. To create this simple side braid look, start by securing a small section of hair with an elastic and flipping the ponytail through a hole above the band. Repeat this process a few times down the side of your head, adding a new section of hair into each elastic and flipping it through to form a textured chain. Once finished, gently tug on each twist to add volume and a fuller, more elegant finish to the style. That's it, bestie. Like and subscribe for more. Bye.